Do you want to become fluent in English and be able to talk about any topic for a minute? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to a guide that will introduce a game-changing approach to language learning, the JAM method. This method is simple, yet powerful. It's a technique that breaks down language barriers and builds fluency, making conversations in English as easy as a piece of cake. The JAM method isn't just for those starting their language journey. No, it's for everyone. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes in the language pool, an intermediate swimmer making your way across, or an advanced diver exploring the depths, the JAM method is your reliable float. Imagine being able to confidently discuss any topic under the sun for a whole minute in English. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. With the JAM method, you're one step closer to achieving your language learning dreams. Stay tuned to learn about the JAM method and how it can help you achieve your language learning goals. So, what exactly is the JAM method, you may ask? It's a refreshing approach to learning English that could change the way you grasp the language forever. JAM is an acronym that stands for Jot, Analyze, and Memorize. Each step is crucial and serves a particular purpose in your learning journey. Let's dive in and break it down, shall we? Firstly, we have Jot. This isn't just about taking notes on a topic. It's about jotting down your thoughts, ideas, and opinions. You jot down what you know about the subject, what you want to know, and any questions that come to mind. It's a brainstorming process that encourages you to think deeply and critically about the topic at hand. The goal here isn't perfection, it's to get your creative juices flowing and to start engaging with the English language. Next, we have Analyze. Once you've jotted down your ideas, it's time to analyze them for clarity and coherence. Are your thoughts clear? Do they make sense? Are they logically connected? This step is about refining your ideas and pruning away anything that doesn't add value. It's about making your thoughts as clear and as coherent as possible. This step is crucial because it helps you understand the structure of your thoughts and how they fit together in the English language. Finally, we have Memorize. Once you've jotted down and analyzed your ideas, it's time to commit the key points to memory. This doesn't mean rote memorization. It's about understanding the ideas on a deep level and being able to recall them easily. It's about making the knowledge part of you so that you can speak about the topic confidently and fluently. In a nutshell, the JAM method is a strategic approach to learning English that encourages active engagement with the language. It's about thinking, analyzing, and internalizing the language in a way that is meaningful and effective. It's as simple as that. Jot, analyze, memorize, that's the JAM method. Now that you know what the JAM method is, it's time to learn how to use it. The first step is the J, which stands for jotting down ideas. Start by choosing a topic you want to talk about. It could be anything from your favorite book to the current weather. Once you've picked a topic, jot down as many ideas as you can relate to it. Don't worry about grammar or spelling at this stage, just let your thoughts flow freely. This is a brainstorming session, and no idea is too big or too small. Next is the A for analyzing. This is where you'll take a closer look at the ideas you've jotted down. You'll want to organize them in a way that makes sense to you. This could be in a mind map, a flow chart, or a simple list. What's important is that you can see the connections between your ideas. Then you'll start to build sentences around these ideas. This is the time to think about grammar, sentence structure, and vocabulary. You're not just analyzing your ideas, but also the language you'll use to express them. Finally, we have the M for memorization. This is where you'll commit your sentences to memory. Start by reading them out loud over and over again. You might find it helpful to record yourself and listen back. This can help you spot any mistakes and correct them. It can also help you work on your pronunciation and intonation. Remember, it's not about memorizing word for word, but rather understanding the structure and flow of your ideas. Now it's time to put it all together. Try to speak for a full minute about your chosen topic, using the sentences you've created. Don't worry if you stumble or forget something. It's all part of the learning process. What matters is that you're practicing, improving, and building confidence in your ability to speak English. With practice, you'll find the JAM method becoming an integral part of your language learning routine. It's a simple, yet effective way to improve your English speaking skills. So why not give it a try? You might just be surprised at how much you can learn and grow. You might be wondering, why should I use the JAM method? Well, let's delve into the myriad benefits this approach brings to the table. Firstly, the JAM method is all about improving fluency. It encourages you to speak English continuously for a minute, on any topic, and that's a practical way to get your linguistic gears grinding. The more you practice, the smoother your language flow becomes. transforming your thoughts into words with increasing ease. Secondly, it's a confidence booster. Remember, the JAM method doesn't focus on accuracy, but on fluency, so you can let go of the fear of making mistakes. This freedom helps you become more comfortable with the language, gradually building your confidence to speak English in any setting. Another advantage is versatility. The JAM method allows you to talk about any topic for a minute, whether it's about your favorite movie, a memorable vacation, or a complex scientific theory. You're honing your ability to articulate your thoughts on diverse subjects, broadening your conversational scope. Perhaps one of the greatest strengths of the JAM method is its flexibility. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. You can tailor it to your individual learning style, making it a personalized tool to enhance your language skills. In essence, the JAM method is a powerful tool in your language learning arsenal. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. So, are you ready to jam your way to English fluency? We've unpacked the JAM method, a powerful tool to become fluent in any topic within a minute. It's not just about learning, but practicing, applying, and consistently refining your skills. Start using the JAM method in your language learning practice. Embrace the process and watch your English proficiency grow. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep jamming. Good luck!